Okay, we're out with the graupner wiesel. Not very lake. It's a tad windy. I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but we're gonna give it a shot. See if the weasel likes it or not. It's a good boat. Trucks along pretty good. That's full trigger. Once a little over at full trigger. But it's an awesome boat. The wind in here is not that bad. You go up over that way in the open, it's pretty friggin' windy. Well, boats are more relaxing. You don't have to worry about any of those stupid plane rules that are coming out, which is weird. You do just as much stupid stuff with a RC boat as you can a RC airplane. Making weird noises under the water. You might get something stuck on the prop. There we go, that's better. Well, we got a bad connection on the motor. Alright, I'm going to bring it back in. I'm going to pause the video for a minute. I want to take a look. Go get her docked. Yeah, it was almost a perfect docking. It's windy. Alright, back in a second. Yeah, we had one of the wires come off one of the motors there. I was in there fooling around the other day. Added a fan to the ESC to help cool it down. Oh, look at that, much better. Look at that. Nice and quiet. She's a ripper. Wind's blowing it over a bit. But no, I paid $60 for this boat off Facebook Marketplace. I had to add a ESC and a radio. So we're looking at 120, 30, 40, 50, 150 bucks I paid for this boat in the water with batteries. Few trucks along, that's awesome. And the drive time on this is phenomenal. I bet you I get hour time, drive time out of it. But then I am using I think it's a 3200 3S. Feel like goop in the water there. I'm trying to go around that. Through the goop, around the goop. Hope you can see it way over there. On the goop again. Stop. Put in reverse, get some of that goop out of it. But no, this is a cool looking boat. I'd say it's probably my best looking RC battleship, a military ship. It's definitely the smoothest driving one. Zips along quite well. Look, listen how quiet it is though. You see the propellers underneath it as it went by there. I'm going to bring the Sheffield out next, but I'm thinking it might be a bit windy for it. You see everything blowing around over there. Got the Canadian crack over there. It's a log. Just looks like a crocodile. Bring it around. Oh yeah, I'm using a DX2E with this, which I got off of Facebook Marketplace as well. For I think it was 25 bucks. It's a basic radio. Steering and throttle. That's it. No extras, I don't think. No, it's got a bind button, that's it. I've never drove this boat out to no power yet. I really don't want to. Through the sludge. Dang it. We know the distance of this radio now. Puddle. So we're going for a little walk. Yeah, nice lake, eh? Oops. Walk to about here. There you can see it again. So I know the range is terrible. There it goes. Up to there. So that's my first out of range experience with it. As I just said, the range was really good. Apparently not, and the ground here is storm, so it's pretty wet. It's got a soaker. Where's boat? Where's boat? Where's boat? See, the water's really high. It's right up on that. There it is. Back in range. So we know not to go too far that way. I think we got some goop on our prop. Lots of bubbles at the back. Reverse. Brakes. Oh, there we go. That's better. The motor's long pretty good. That's full trigger. Oh, that wind's getting really strong. Look, it's tipping it over. Turn her into the wind. Oh yeah, I think that's it for the weasel today. So we drove it out of range. We had a wire come off a motor. I'm having a problem docking it here. I hear a train coming. So that's graupner weasel. Alright, everyone, hit that thumbs up for me, and like, and subscribe, and the notification. The notification is a big one. Alright, thanks for watching.